Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I know this is the first time you'll be seeing me here. As you guys know, we relocated from China. We're out of China. We are now in Michigan, and you'll be seeing more content from this space. Okay, so today I'm unboxing my Ninja blender. What we have here. These are the manuals. Here you go. This is the cup. What is this? This looks like okay, the cover. Whoa. So it has a smaller cup, an inner cup with its own engine. So that's why I love this one. The last one I bought was sharing engine with the big one, and it was weird. So oops. This is the main engine. That's all. So I'm going to try this blender out now so we can see it. I've read a little about the instructions, so just go ahead and plug it on. Let's see what it's going to be like. This is the cover for this small one. So I want to try blending tomatoes with this. Let me see how it will respond. Okay. Oh, so the cover. It's beautiful though. I just pray it's durable. That's all. I just pray it's going to be durable and strong. That's all that matters to me. The blender I had in China was so good. Media. The cup. So the unique thing about this blender is that it has 6 blades, right? And the blades are up to the top. It's strange. Can you see this? The conventional blender has the blades down, but this one has a blade going way up. So I don't know. Let me just get my tomatoes ready and come and try it out right away. Let's see how it's going to respond. I think this is pretty cool. This is nice. So let me get my tomatoes ready. I'll just rinse off the blender slightly so I can use it. Okay, my tomatoes are here. I want to try blending now. Let me see how it's going to be. I just hope this was a good buy. The good thing is that when you buy this kind of stuff here and you don't like it, you return it and take your money back. So I love the fact that the cup is big enough because I always cook in bulk. So the ones with the smaller cup will not be nice for me at all. Don't mind the background noise, my children are playing in their room. Okay. Let me add a little water. Okay. All right. Now let me blend and see how it goes. Wow, I think this is beautiful. This was medium. I used the medium to blend it, and it has 3 parts: the low, the medium, the high, and pause. So they claim it can also crush ice. So let's see. I think the tomato is okay now. Let me try the low. Okay. So one good thing about this is that okay, you have to turn it to release it. I love this stuff here. So usually when you use a blender, you have to take out everything to bring out the content. But here, can you see? Wow. Wow, this is beautiful. So this way you have less mess. So I love this. I love this. I really love this. I think I'll be blending more tomatoes, but for now, this is what we have. So I think he did a pretty good job, and I love the fact that it's big enough for me because I always cook in bulk, like I said. So that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Watch out for my next video. Thank you for always stopping by. Thank you if you're new here. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel, because you'll be getting a lot of cooking content, lifestyle content, and all that good stuff. Bye.